This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. These are four quick stories that we're following today. We find them interesting and fascinating in their own way, so bear with me. First, the Carlyle Group, which is one of the world's largest private equity funds and companies, dropped 6.5% today. We'll go through a separate podcast. We'll go through 5 key points on this. But the real story is private equity funds, a little bit harder time raising funds. Their fee income is going great. What's not going great is their exits for profits. And this is endemic of the whole industry. But one of the reasons why you've seen Carlyle Group and KKR both struggle recently after reporting earnings. Second, Humana. Humana also dropped this morning. Their revenues are going fine and grew 13% in the last quarter, year after year. But the earnings are struggling on higher medical loss ratios. So that's what's going on with Humana. Third, one of the companies that's doing great is Coca-Cola. Coke, and we're a direct holder in Coke, so I'm thrilled with this. This comes from one of the times when I was binging on investing in things that Warren Buffett invests in. Their stock is up 3% today, 7% year to date. Rival Pepsi is down 16%. Again, we'll do a separate podcast around Coca-Cola, but fascinating what they're doing, organic growth, both some volume growth and some price growth. I always worry about companies where all the growth is coming from price growth, but they seem to be doing a little bit of both. More price growth than volume growth, but still pretty good. Finally, fourth, the last story we're following this morning is Intel Corporation is rising today. Feels like forever since we've said that. They're about 5-6%. And the real reason for that is they own a company called Mobileye that they bought, and Lyft announced it's going to be using the Mobileye tech, and Intel still owns 88% of Mobileye, and that's what's driving Lyft today. So again, 4 stories: Carlyle down, Intel up, Coca-Cola up, and Humana down. Fascinating to watch some of these big names and what's going on with them. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you.